Hello, hello. Today's book is Good Night, I Love You by Carolyn Jane Church. Let's check it out. All right. It's time for bed, so let's get ready. Bring your bunny, bring your teddy. Okay, she brings her bunny, he brings his teddy. Bath fun at the end of the day. Laugh, splash, giggle, and play. Yeah! Splash, splash, splash. Bubble, bubble, bubble. Wah, wah. Do you have a rubber ducky in your bath? Wow, what a nice fun bath. Scrub high, scrub low. Scrub, 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 scrub. Squeaky clean from head to toe. Yeah, get squeaky clean. Toothbrushes up. Ooh-cha. Good job. Get dressed, sleepyhead. I can do it. Oh, a nighttime story. Let's read before bed. Do you read a story before bed? Very good. Snuggle the covers. Yeah, comfy and cozy. And off with the light. Good night. Dream little dreams. Dream sweet dreams. I love you. Good night. I love you. Good night.